Every revolution begins in the shadows, but in time it emerges, brighter, stronger, unstoppable. Introducing the Komori J-Throne 29, a revolution in digital printing that redefines performance. Designed and precision engineered entirely by Komori in Japan, every component works seamlessly to deliver unmatched reliability and uptime. With a B2+ sheet size, automatic quality control, and speeds of 6,000 sheets per hour, the J-Throne 29 combines versatility, precision, and speed. Built for printers who demand simplicity, efficiency, and excellence, the Komori J-Throne 29 is more than a machine. It's a cornerstone of your future success and profitability. The pinnacle of performance. Komori. Count on us.